Wow. What a day. I'm so happy that shift is finally over.
You can say that again, Steve. It was really busy today. I didn't sit down for 6 hours.
I know. My feet are killing me. Being a nurse is rewarding, but sometimes I just want to sleep for a week.
Only a week? I could sleep for a month. But we can't go home yet. Remember? We made a plan.
A plan? Did we? I'm so tired I can't remember my own name.
Come on, Steve. It's Friday. We agreed to go to the movies. You promised. You said you needed to relax.
Oh, right. The movies. Yes, I did say that. I need a distraction. I need to forget about work for a few hours.
Exactly. Since I'm new here in DC, I need you to show me the best movie theater in the city.
Well, there's a great one just a few blocks away. It has really comfortable seats. They recline all the way back.
That sounds perfect. Is it far?
No, it's a short walk. We can get some fresh air on the way.
Great. It's nice to be outside. The air in the hospital is always so sterile.
True. So, Margaret, how are you liking the exchange program so far? Is Washington, D.C. very different from New Jersey?
It is different. It's busier here. Princeton is quieter. But I like it here. The hospital is huge, and I'm learning a lot.
That's good to hear. We're happy to have you. But tell me, do you miss home?
A little bit. I miss my craft room. You know I love handcrafting, right? Making jewelry and knitting. I don't have much space for that in my temporary apartment here.
I didn't know you did knitting. That's a very relaxing hobby.
It is. It helps me focus. What about you? What do you do when you aren't working?
Me? I like the outdoors. I love climbing mountains.
Really? That sounds dangerous.
It's not too bad if you are careful. I usually go back to my hometown, Baltimore, or nearby areas to hike on weekends. But during the week, I just hang out at my apartment building.
Oh, what was it called? The triple peanut?
The Triple Almond! The Triple Almond apartment building. It's a funny name, I know, but it's a nice place.
Right, the triple almond. I'll try to remember that. Anyway, look, I think I see the cinema sign up ahead.
Yes, that's it. Okay, are you ready to see a movie?
I was born ready. Let's go.
Ah, smell that? Popcorn. The best smell in the world.
It does smell delicious. Okay, let's look at the posters. What is playing right now?
Let's see. There's a big screen here with the times.
Okay, looks like there are a few options starting in 20 minutes.
Oh, look at this one. The Wedding Mistake. It's a romantic comedy.
A romantic comedy? Really?
Yes! Look at the poster. The guy is tripping over the wedding cake. It looks hilarious. I love comedies. They are light and easy to watch.
I don't know, Steve. That looks a bit silly. I was thinking of something different.
Different? Like what?
Like this one. Look, The House on Shadow Hill.
That? That looks dark. Is that a horror movie?
Yes, it's the new horror movie everyone is talking about. It's supposed to be terrifying.
Terrifying? Why would you want to be terrified? We just finished a 12-hour shift at a hospital. I don't want to be stressed.
It's not stress. It's exciting. It's adrenaline. It wakes you up.
No. I deal with stressful situations all day. When a patient is crashing, my heart beats fast. I don't want my heart to beat fast when I'm relaxing.
But that's why it's fun. It's a safe kind of fear. You know it's not real. You can scream, grab your popcorn, and then laugh about it later.
I prefer to just laugh, without the screaming part. Come on, Margaret. The Wedding Mistake has that famous actor. You know, the one with the nice hair?
The one with the nice hair? That describes half of the actors in Hollywood.
You know who I mean. He's funny. The review says, a heartwarming story about finding love in unexpected places. Doesn't that sound nice?
It sounds predictable. I bet they hate each other at the beginning, and then they fall in love at the end. right?
Well, yes, probably. But that's what makes it comforting. You know everything will be okay.
But the house on Shadow Hill is a mystery. We don't know what will happen. Look at the tagline. Don't open the basement door.
See? That right there. I don't want to see what is in the basement. I want to see people eating cake and making jokes.
You are such a chicken, Steve.
I am not a chicken. I climb mountains. That is brave.
Climbing a mountain is physical. Watching a horror movie is mental. Maybe you are brave outside, but scared of ghosts?
I'm not scared of ghosts because ghosts aren't real. But watching people get chased by monsters isn't my idea of a relaxing Friday night.
Please, I really, really want to see it. The special effects are supposed to be amazing.
I don't know.
How about a compromise?
What kind of compromise?
We watch the horror movie, and I will buy your snacks.
You'll buy the snacks?
Yes, a large popcorn and a soda.
A large popcorn? With extra butter?
Yes, with extra butter.
You drive a hard bargain, Margaret. Okay, but if I get nightmares, I'm calling you in the middle of the night.
Deal. You won't regret it. It's going to be great.
Okay, look at the menu. The prices have gone up since last time I was here.
Yeah, cinema snacks are always expensive, but it's part of the experience.
True. Can I help you carry anything?
No, I've got it. Excuse me? Hi. Yes, I'd like one large popcorn, please.
Don't forget the butter.
And please add extra butter topping.
Perfect.
And 2 medium sodas. Steve, what do you want to drink?
I'll have a cola. No ice, please.
Okay, 1 cola with no ice and 1 lemon lime soda with ice. And do we need candy?
I don't need candy, but I want candy.
What kind? Chocolate or the sour gummies?
Chocolate. Definitely chocolate. Those round chocolate bites with the peanut butter inside.
Good choice. Okay, and a bag of the chocolate peanut butter bites. That's all, thank you.
You are very generous. Next time, when we see a comedy, I will pay.
Deal. But admit it, you're a little bit excited about the scary movie now, aren't you?
Maybe. A little bit. I do like the adrenaline of climbing. Maybe this is similar.
Exactly. It's like a roller coaster. You go up slowly and then whoosh, you scream and it's over.
As long as nobody chases me with a chainsaw, I'll be fine.
I can't promise that. Here are the snacks.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone.
Careful, the popcorn is very full.
I've got the drinks. Let's head to the theater. What number is it?
Look at the ticket. I think it's theater number 4.
Theater 4. That's down the hall to the left. You know, it's funny. In Baltimore, where I grew up, we had this old tiny cinema. It only had 1 screen.
Really? Just 1?
Yeah, we didn't have a choice. Everyone watched whatever was playing. Sometimes it was a cowboy movie, sometimes a space movie.
That sounds nice, actually. It sounds simple.
It was. We didn't argue about genres because there was nothing to argue about.
In New Jersey, we went to the big mall. There were 20 screens. It took an hour just to decide what to watch.
That's the problem with too many choices. Sometimes it's harder to decide.
That's why I'm glad I'm here with you. If I was alone, I might just go home and knit.
Knitting is safer than the house on Shadow Hill.
You know, crafting is very detailed. You have to be patient. Maybe that's why I like horror movies. Crafting is quiet and slow. Horror movies are loud and fast. It's a balance.
That makes sense. I have a stressful job, and my hobby, climbing, is also intense physically. So maybe that is why I want a quiet, funny movie. I need a break from intensity.
I understand that. I'm sorry if I pushed you too hard.
No, It's okay. I need to try new things. If I stay in my comfort zone forever, I'll be boring.
You? Boring? Never. You live in a building called the Triple Almond. That is automatically interesting.
You will never let me forget that name, will you?
Never. It's the best name for a building I've ever heard.
Here we are. Theater 4.
It looks dark inside. The previews are starting.
Let's find seats in the middle, not too close to the screen.
Okay. There are 2 empty seats in row G. Let's go.
These seats are amazing. They are so soft.
Told you. Okay, shh. The movie is starting.
Hold the popcorn. I'm going to need it for protection.
Oh my goodness, that was incredible.
I think I need to sit down.
Are you okay, Steve? You look a little pale.
Pale? I feel like I ran a marathon. That was so intense.
But wasn't it good? The part in the basement? When the light flickered?
Don't remind me. I jumped so high I almost spilled my soda.
I saw. You grabbed my arm.
I was checking your blood pressure. I'm a nurse, remember?
You were scared, admit it.
Okay. I was a little scared. Just a little. But
But what?
it was actually fun. You were right.
I knew it! I told you!
It was intense. I forgot about the hospital. I forgot about my tired feet. I was just focused on running away from the ghost in the screen.
See? It relieves stress. It clears your mind.
It definitely woke me up. I'm wide awake now. I don't think I can sleep tonight.
Oh, don't worry. You'll be fine. Just check under your bed before you sleep.
Stop it! That's not funny.
Okay, sorry. But seriously, the story was actually quite sad in the end.
It was. The ghost just wanted to find her family. It wasn't just about scares. It had a good plot.
I'm glad you liked it. Next time we can see The Wedding Mistake.
Really? You'll watch the romantic comedy with me?
Yes, I owe you one. It's only fair.
Great. Then it's a date. Well, not a date, but a friend date.
A colleague outing.
Exactly. A colleague outing to see bad romance movies.
Hey, look at the time. It's getting late.
Yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. Do you need to catch a bus?
No, I can take the metro. The station is right there.
I'll walk you to the station. It's on my way home to the Triple Almond.
Thank you, Steve. That's very kind.
The air is cooler now. It feels nice.
It does. DC is beautiful at night. The monuments look lovely with the lights.
Have you had a chance to visit the museums yet?
Not yet. I've been so busy at the hospital.
You have to go. The Air and Space Museum is fantastic, and the Natural History Museum.
I want to see the art gallery.
The art gallery is great too. Maybe next weekend, if we aren't working.
I'm on shift next Saturday, but I'm free Sunday.
Sunday works. We can do a museum in the morning and get lunch.
That sounds like a plan. You know, I'm really glad I came on this exchange program. Everyone is so friendly.
We try to be, but you are easy to get along with, Margaret. Even if you like terrifying movies.
And you are a good friend, Steve. Even if you are afraid of the dark.
Hey, I'm not afraid of the dark. I'm afraid of what is in the dark. There is a difference.
Whatever you say.
So, how are you getting back to your apartment from the station? Is it a long walk?
No, it's just 2 blocks. It's a safe neighborhood.
Okay, good. Text me when you get home, okay? Just so I know you're safe.
I will. You too. Don't let the ghosts get you on the way to the Triple Almond.
I'll run fast.
Here is my entrance.
All right. Thanks for the popcorn.
Thanks for the company, and for being brave.
Anytime. Good night, Margaret.
Good night, Steve. See you on Monday at the hospital.
See you Monday.